Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents accidental throttle activation and protects electronic parts. Once done, unplug the airbox intake hose and loosen the clamps using a screwdriver. You want clear access. Now remove any wiring covers and use a marker to label each connector location, because later reassembly must match electrical orientation precisely. Make sure to keep screws in a container and photograph the throttle body from multiple angles to avoid confusion. With the intake duct removed, detach all vacuum lines and purge hoses from the throttle body. Knowing their positions prevents vacuum leaks when reinstalled. Next, carefully unplug the electrical connector, depress the retention tab and pull the plug, not the wires, to avoid damage. Then, support the throttle body with one hand while you remove the mounting bolts, typically 4. If corroded, use penetrating oil and the correct socket size. Once bolts are out, lift straight up to avoid scraping the gasket surface, and set the unit on a clean rag. After lifting the throttle body off, scrape and remove the old gasket carefully. Any debris on the mating surface causes air leaks, so clean it with a lint-free cloth and suitable cleaner. Place the throttle body upright on a soft surface and cover the electrical connector to keep contaminants out while you service or replace the unit. If after reinstall, you see throttle faults, scan for codes and inspect connector pins for bent or corroded contacts. Then perform the manufacturer's throttle relearn or disconnect the battery for a brief reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.